very well. Welcome to my channel and welcome to yet another video on my channel. If you are new to my channel and seeing me for the first time, please take out a moment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Now coming back to the video. This video is about farmers. एंड अगर आपको लगता है कि हम एक फार्मर फैमिली से बिलोंग नहीं करते या हमारी फैमिली में कोई किसान नहीं है एंड दैट इज वाई दिस इज नन ऑफ आवर बिजनेस, I'll tell you why this is our business and why this is something that we all should be concerned about. In this video, I won't tell you to stand in favor of or stand against the bills because there is enough of information available over the internet that you can go through and decide for yourself. We'll talk about consumption first. How many times do you go out in a week to have those fancy foods? Once, twice, or maybe thrice a week, and still that business is growing. Although the raw material is coming from the same farmer, but for the moment we'll ignore that. We'll try to understand that with 2-3 meals a week a business is growing. On the other hand, although we are consuming 3 meals every day, that includes chapati, rice, veggies every day, and still this business of farming is not growing. The farmer is still poor. Why? Chalo, we'll talk about risk now. I want to start a business. I have a superb idea that I know will be consumed by a lot of people. Yet, before the implementation, I'll evaluate the risk factor. This business of farming has a lot of risk involved. There's a lot that is on stake. We'll talk about that later, but for now we'll try to understand that this risk cannot be evaluated. You cannot predict the climate. कब बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हो जाएगी, कब बिल्कुल भी बारिश नहीं होगी, हम ये तय नहीं कर सकते हैं. A farmer buys seeds on loan with a hope that if the crop is good, he can earn well, he'll pay off the rent, he'll provide food to his family, he'll educate his children just on the basis of a hope. क्योंकि रिस्क तो ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा है. No scope of error, no scope of failure, no plans B here. They're very beautiful lines. जल चुकी है जमीन, आसमान बाकी है. जल चुकी है जमीन, आसमान बाकी है. सूखे हुए कुएं, तेरा इम्तिहान बाकी है. सूखे हुए कुएं, तेरा इम्तिहान बाकी है. आ जाना इस बार वक्त पर है मेघा. किसी का घर गिरवी है तो किसी का लगान बाकी है. किसी का घर गिरवी है तो किसी का लगान बाकी है. किसी के साथ एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. किसी के साथ अगर हमारी गर्मा गर्मी में कुछ बात हो रही है तो हम बोलते हैं मेरे से बात कर, फैमिली पे मत जा, क्योंकि हम अपनी फैमिली के लिए इतने प्रोटेक्टेड हैं. ये बिहेवियर है. द फार्मर हैज टू पुट हिज एंटायर फैमिली ऑन स्टेक. देयर फूड, their education, the entire living, what not. Everything is on stake. And the farmer struggles while we all sit back, relax and enjoy our meals. We need to understand one thing, that the farmers can also do stable jobs like we all do. They all are very hardworking, and with that hard work they can earn pretty decent amount of money, and with that money they can feed their family, they can educate their children and live a life like we all do. But if they start doing so, who will grow the crop? Raw material नहीं आएगा तो हमारी प्लेट में खाना कहां से आएगा? I won't ask you to stand in favor of or against the bills. Please go through the information and decide yourself. But please stand for that chapati in your plate. If you cannot stand for the farmers, stand for your meals. That's it. Thank you so much.